The history of the post office on Snezka dates back to September 1st, 1899, when the first post office was established on the highest peak in the Czech Republic. The building remained in operation until 1938, when the Sudetenland was occupied by Germany. After World War II, the structure served as a store until it was eventually replaced. The tradition of a post office at the summit was revived by Jaslava Skrbkova, a former postmistress from Velika Upa, who repurposed an old refreshment kiosk before investing in a new, modern building. The new Czech post office, designed by architects Martin Rajnis and Patrik Hoffman, was built using an experimental SSBS system, ensuring that the structure could be easily assembled and dismantled. The post office is constructed with a prefabricated wooden modular system, consisting of 20,000 individual parts. It stands on 12 steel supports, creating the illusion of floating above the ground. The outer shell is composed of 4 layers: wooden structural frames, double glazing, heavy-duty adjustable blinds, and interior insulation panels. This layered system allows the building to adapt to extreme weather conditions, transforming from a transparent open space to a fully closed shelter during harsh winters. The flat roof design, chosen to prevent excessive snow accumulation, doubles as an observation terrace. A cylindrical tower with a spiral staircase provides access to this terrace, offering panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. The building incorporates elements inspired by the expedition bases of Amundsen and Scott, embracing the philosophy that visitors to Snezka are on an expedition and should encounter an expedition house. Constructed on the preserved foundations of the original Česká Buda chalet, which was dismantled in 2004 due to fungal damage, the new post office respects the natural environment. The building is designed to be lightweight, transportable, and easy to assemble with minimal ecological impact. It offers a working space for 2 staff members, a small refreshment area, and basic amenities, while also providing shelter for mountain visitors. The post office on Snezka represents an innovative approach to architecture in extreme conditions. Its ability to withstand winds of up to 250 kilometers per hour and temperatures below freezing while remaining environmentally friendly makes it a remarkable example of modern, sustainable mountain architecture. Opened in 2007 and consecrated by Archbishop Karel Otsinasek, it continues to function as the highest post office in the Czech Republic, embodying resilience, adaptability, and respect for nature.